Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn the top 5 tips in DaVinci Resolve that you can use. So let's start. The first one is to have autosave on. Click here on DaVinci Resolve, Preferences, User, Project Save and Load, Live Save, and click on Project Backups. Then what you want to do is perform backups from 10 minutes, go to 6, and hourly backups for the past go to 4. What this will do is that it's going to autosave you while you are going to be editing. It happened to me in the past. I was editing for like 6 hours straight and my footage was destroyed. DaVinci Resolve crashed. It likes to crash for some reason. So this is one of my first tips I recommend you to use. So just click save and voila. The second tip, which I recommend for everyone who is video editing to do, is to use shortcuts. You can edit them by yourself, keyboard customization if you would like. I use it like this because I was with my friend and what was he doing? He came, he clicked here, then he clicked here, then he clicked here, he moved this. But what you can just do is just click like voila. So this is the second thing I recommend to everyone: learn those damn keys. So another thing is like when you're gonna press B and I'm going to cut, I will move it. Control A, you choose all. Control Z, you just get it back. Really easy, really simple. Magnet, flags, like marks with M. Really simple. So this is the second tip I recommend everyone to use. Another thing, which is like pretty great and I recommend everyone, is go to YouTube, find a guy called JRTV. This is the guy who is on now with you, JR Da Vinci. He's making like amazing templates. I recommend everyone to use and download. Most of them are paid, but he has also free templates that you can use. And he got like plenty of infographics that you can use. Progress bar, Lunacal, logo, transitions, titles, tech intro logo. So many of them, and all of them are really useful that you can use. So I recommend to check it out. Really just write JRTV into Google and find some good ones that you can use for your videos. They are really cheap and really useful and really easy to edit. Okay, another one which I recommend is titles to use in your videos. This is something what Sunny Vegas doesn't have, HeatFilm Express doesn't have it, and also Shotcut doesn't have it, but DaVinci Resolve does have it, and you can really check out these like amazing titles that you can check out, and some of them are good, some of them are not that good. Yep, for example, this one is really pretty, so I'll show you. And what you can do, just edit it, video, make it bigger, really up to you. Line controls, change the to red, and you can write here like subscribe, main text, secondary text to me, and voila. And when I'm going to play it, really easy, really simple, really cool. I recommend you to use it. So that was kind of it, and let's go for the last one, which I always recommend, is output banking. When I have my screen here, what I'm going to do, I will click timeline here, output banking. Most of the time the 2.35 is the best here, and you want to use it if you want this film look, film shoot for your video, which is like really cool, and this is how we actually do it. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe, you know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya.